Hi, this is John with Grow Your Own Nutrition. I want to talk about your garden sizing. This is a raised bed, and this one happens to be 4 foot wide, 8 foot long, so that makes this bed 32 square feet. You can just measure the dimensions. If you have a bed in the ground, you can measure the length and the width, multiplying together, and that gives you your square footage for your garden. If you choose the 64 square foot bed, you're going to have two of these beds to make one garden. So when you soil sample, you are going to need to take a sample from this bed and a sample from the other bed. If you have 128 and you have raised beds that are 4 by 8, you'll need to take a sample from each bed. So that'd be 4 different beds, and likewise to the larger sizes. Make sure each bed is represented in the soil sample, so that each bed gets a contribution into the bucket, mixed together, and then put it in the sample bag. Thank you very much.